Today's fluid art painting is full of bold color energy and powerful pink meeting deep sapphire blue. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. For this piece, I'm working with powerful pink, sapphire, turquoise, and blue lava, creating a swirl pour built around strong contrast and vibrant colors. To begin, I poured several of the colors into a cup to prepare for the swirl pour. This part of the process takes a little patience as each color is layered slowly inside the cup. After preparing the swirl cup, I added 2 puddles on the canvas to guide the composition. I poured a puddle of white paint on one side of the canvas and a separate puddle of black paint on the other side. These 2 puddles help create balance across the painting and give the swirl pour different areas to interact with as the color begins to move across the canvas. Once the puddles were in place, I poured the swirl cup of paint directly into each puddle, allowing the colors to begin interacting with the black and the white layers underneath. This step helps create interesting movement and contrast as the swirl begins to expand across the canvas. In the center of the canvas, I added black and white stacked puddles. I like to place this in the middle to create a little separation between the colors and give the painting a strong focal point. As the canvas tilts and the paint continues to move, the final composition begins to reveal itself. Combination of the bright pink and the deep blues create a bold contrast that really makes the painting feel alive. Together, these colors create a balance of contrast and harmony, where the bold pink stands out while the surrounding blues help anchor the painting and give it sense of movement and flow. Fluid art always brings surprises, and every painting teaches something new about color and movement. If you enjoyed this painting, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. And remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.